Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to see your player tag in Clash Royale. First, launch the Clash Royale game application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account whose player tag you wish to find. This unique identifier is crucial for connecting with friends or joining specific clans. It ensures you are easily recognizable within the game's expansive community, streamlining many in-game interactions. After the game loads, locate your player name and avatar, typically positioned near the top left corner of the main screen. This area usually displays your current trophy count and experience level. Tap gently on this displayed name or avatar to open your personalized player profile screen. This action will transition you to a detailed overview of your in-game progress and statistics. This is where your unique tag is prominently featured. Once on your player profile screen, observe the area directly beneath your in-game name. You will clearly see a sequence of characters beginning with a hashtag symbol. For instance, a hashtag followed by an 8-character alphanumeric code. This precise string of letters and numbers is your unique player tag. It acts like a digital fingerprint for your account, making it distinct from every other player in the game. Remember, this tag is essential for many functions. Clash Royale provides a straightforward method for copying your player tag without manually typing it out. To do this, simply tap directly on the displayed player tag itself. A small, on-screen notification will confirm that the player tag has been successfully copied to your device's clipboard. You can then paste it wherever it is needed, such as in clan invitations or friend requests, ensuring accuracy every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.